And here is our next maker here at the Solvang Custom Knife Show. And there you are. Okay, so tell us who you are and tell us about what you're doing.
Okay, his name is Corrado Moro. I will speak for him. We are from Italy, and he's making knife for 11 years now. He has always interest in knife inspired by cars or aviation history. So what you can see here is probably his best work.
Well, let's start over here and we'll work our way left. So tell us about this knife.
This is called the Wahira, and it's inspired by the Pagani Italian sports car.
She does look fast.
It is. You can see there are a few features taken directly from the car.
Yeah.
There is the tail exhaust, the iconic gearbox.
Oh, the
locker.
Pagani, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The gas pedal here.
Yeah.
And it is a unique locking system called the gear lock.
Really? So that moves. Will you look at that? That's very automotive.
It is.
That is fantastic. And someone has adopted this and is taking home today.
Oh yes, it is.
Very much so.
It's a result.
All right,
We have our twin blade signature knife. It's called the V Tourbillon.
Now, does this also have the same locking mechanism?
Same gear locking system.
So you can see the gears inside. Now, what is that inlay?
It's the Dragon Skin Damascus by Bertie Wrightman.
Here, let me get in there. That's very nice.
I just wanted to get that out of the way. Yeah, is that what you were taking a picture of?
Oh, that's gorgeous. Bella.
Tells you all about it.
There she is. Oh, that's
How are
nice.
y'all today?
That's beautiful. And the same one with this. So you'll see here. Okay.
His knife is called the Tourbillon. One of his oldest design.
That is gorgeous. And is that mother of pearl there?
Yes, it's blacklit in a tiny carbon fiber frame.
Very nice. Very, very nice. And finally,
This is an engraved knife called the Phoenix and the Dragon. A phoenix is engraved on one side, a dragon on the other.
oh, that's just cool. Look at the attention to detail.
The engraver is Simone Fezzardi from Italy.
Well, I do want to visit Italy. I want to go to Maniago.
Oh yes.
Yeah, that Rome, Maniago. Yes, that's fantastic. That's completely fantastic. Well, thank you so much to the maker and his interpreter for sharing us this here today. And as always, have a nice day.